Here's problem 15 from the 2024 AMC 8. The letters F, L, Y, B, U, and G represent distinct digits. Suppose FLY is the greatest 6-digit number that satisfies the equation. 8 times FLY equals BUG. What is the value of FLY plus BUG? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here's the key idea. A 6-digit number that repeats a 3-digit block, like XYZ, equals that 3-digit block times 1001. That's because it's the block times 1000, plus the block again. So FLY is FLY times 1001. And BUG is BUG times 1001. Our equation becomes 8 times FLY times 1001 equals BUG times 1000. And 1. The 1001 cancels from both sides, leaving 8 times FLY equals BUG. Now the answer we want is FLY plus BUG. Since BUG equals 8 times FLY, this is FLY plus 8 times FLY, which is 9 times FLY. So we just need to find FLY. We want the greatest number, so we make FLY as large as possible. But BUG, which is 8 times FLY, must stay a 3-digit number. So FLY can be at most 124. Also, all 6 digits must be different. Try 124. 8 times that is 992, which repeats a 2 and a 9. So it fails. Try 123. 8 times that is 984. The digits 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, and 4 are all distinct. That works. So FLY is 123. And FLY plus BUG is 9 times 123. Which equals 1107. That's answer choice C.